Excel PDURATION function. This function calculates the number of periods required for an investment to reach a specified value. It is useful for determining how long it takes your money to grow to a target amount. The syntax is PDURATION with three parameters, rate, PV, and FV. All three arguments are required. There are three arguments and all are required. Rate is the interest rate per period, PV is the present value of the investment, and FV is the desired future value you want the investment to reach. Let's look at two examples. In the first example, PDURATION with a rate of 2.5%, a present value of 2,000, and a future value of 2,200 returns 3.86 periods. In the second example, we divide the annual rate by 12 to get a monthly rate, and PDURATION with 0.025 divided by 12, a present value of 1,000, and a future value of 1,200 returns 87.61 monthly periods. The result is 3.86 periods. This means it takes approximately 3.86 periods for $2,000 to grow to $2,200 at a 2.5% interest rate per period. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when any argument is non-numeric. A num error occurs when any argument is 0 or negative. All three values must be positive numbers. Key points to remember. First, PDURATION requires all arguments to be positive values, including rate, present value, and future value. Second, use consistent units. If the rate is annual, the result is in years. If the rate is monthly, the result is in months. Third, PDURATION is available in Excel 2013 and later. For older versions, you can use the equivalent formula, log of FV divided by PV divided by log of 1 plus rate. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.